I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here with Shopify as the next Tesla. A few months ago, we came out with a prediction, a forecast that Shopify would outperform most stocks in the US stock market, and therefore what we did was immediately to invite everyone to buy shares of Shopify as the number one investment opportunity in the US stock market. So this article refers precisely to this prediction that was made available to everyone on the news market feed, including for those that they would like to outperform the markets and choosing Shopify as the best place to put your stimulus check. As you have it here, you just have to click, and this comes from more than 2 months ago. On the contrary, we also explained that an investment in Shopify as the best place to put your money, comparing it to market scams as you have here the names, some of them Hertz, Genius Brands, Chesapeake Energy, and Energos. Again, companies that I've been discussing here for years. You just have to play the video where I refer to all these companies. For example, Hertz today it is down again 15%, or more, in fact, 17%. While at the end of the video, I made a mention again about Shopify. I've been discussing Shopify to invest in since IPO, $19, initiating coverage with a strong buy rating, when very few were familiar with this company. 2020, the entire team elected Shopify as the number one investment opportunity, even better than Tesla. You have here the reasons, 10 reasons why to buy shares of Shopify ahead of earnings, or in other words, to buy even more shares, because there were prior recommendations to buy Shopify. Furthermore, you have here more articles, as well as other opportunities for you to make $200 million in the markets, as the case of Spotify that also I addressed, Shopify and Spotify. Finally, for those that they are users, members, you have here a very important article, The Secret of Investing in Tesla and the Markets Worth Billions of Dollars, precisely compiling and validating the methodology, utilized also, obviously, in the case of Spotify. So congratulations to everyone. As of today, again, you have new all-time highs in shares of Shopify, which has been the case every single day for the past 5 or 6 years.